In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Todoist in Chrome. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time. This process helps link your task management with your calendar, making it easier to see your schedule and responsibilities together in one connected workflow. Before you begin, make sure you already have Todoist open in Chrome and that you're signed in to the correct account. It also helps to have access to your Google account in the same browser so the connection process goes smoothly. Start by looking toward the upper right area of the Todoist window. This is where you'll find your profile and account controls. Go ahead and open the Profile Settings panel. If you're not used to navigating this area, just take a moment to look carefully through the top right section until you find the Account menu. This panel is where Todoist keeps a variety of account and customization options, including settings related to connected services. Once the settings panel is open, look through the menu tree options and select the integrations link. This section is specifically designed for connecting Todoist with other tools and platforms. If you use multiple apps to organize your work or personal life, this is the area where those connections are managed. Clicking integrations will take you to the list of available services that can work alongside Todoist. After that, find the Google Tools section. In the layout in that section, click Connect Calendar. This is the option that begins the process of linking Todoist with Google Calendar. When you select it, Todoist will guide you into the connection flow needed to sync the two services. At this stage, it's a good idea to read each prompt carefully so you understand what permissions are being requested and how the integration will behave once it's enabled. As you complete this process, stay attentive to any confirmation screens that appear in Chrome. These are normal and are part of securely connecting your calendar. If the page takes a moment to load, that's also expected, especially if your browser is handling account authentication in the background. And that's it. By opening your profile settings panel, choosing integrations, and clicking Connect Calendar in the Google section, you've started the setup needed to connect Google Calendar with Todoist. Once connected, this can make planning much more efficient and help you keep your tasks and schedule aligned.